guys, today is a brand new video. Now today's video is very exciting because today we are going to be installing something new, something very simple for the Civic. Today we are going to be installing new emblems for it. Currently right now the hatchback doesn't have any emblems. I could have put the OEM emblems on. I also have aftermarket grill. The original grill actually has a Honda emblem that sits in the middle of it. I still want to keep the emblems on here, so what I see a lot of people do is actually put the Type R emblem in the middle of the hood. I was thinking of going with Type R emblems. Well, today we are going to be showing you guys the new emblems. Actually, my boy Blueberry Civic here, he actually already runs the Type R emblem on his hatch, and I think it looks really good. But I like the Type R pieces, don't get me wrong, but I feel like I kind of want to set it just a little bit aside from a Type R style. I know I have the Type R wing and the Type R lip, but I just don't want to make it into a Type R kind of style. So without further ado, I have the emblems that came from Rival Machine. Y'all guys can't see it very clearly because there's a little kind of cover for it, so that way it doesn't get dirty. But these are the black OG vintage style type of Honda emblems. They are a sticker style, so they're not a kind of like plastic style, kind of like how the Type R is. It's just a regular sticker, but I think these are a little bit tougher than sticker. They seem like just a little bit thicker than a regular sticker. And basically what's gonna happen is that it's gonna cover the holes. I do have an extra one that is also gonna go on the middle of the hood somewhere like something like that along those lines. So we are gonna be doing that today. All right, so me and my boy actually lined this up with tape. This should be the center line right here. We already measured it with a little ruler between those two holes that were originally there. Oh, is that already off? I lightly just put it on there, just all right, and just like that, we have the rear emblem on. Unfortunately, because the hole behind it, I didn't realize that it would bubble a little bit. It looks good for the most part, and look at that. Cheese! And just like that, the Honda emblem on the hood is finally on. Check that out. Simple but clean. And that is basically it. Very simple, sort of. Well, kind of sort of, because we were trying to line it up between these two holes so that way it can line up perfectly. Same thing with the back. It's just a sticker mod, technically. That will be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time in the next one.